Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the avatar in the Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Bingo Blitz app on your phone. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create your account first. Now, in order to change your avatar, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now you're in your profile settings page. You can see the edit profile option over here. Tap on it. Here you can see different informations regarding your profile. You can edit your profile over here. Now in order to change the avatar, you can see the current avatar over here. Tap on it. Now it will provide you with the different options of avatar. So you can choose your preferred avatar over here. Here you can see the arrow icon. You can tap on it and you can choose from a wide variety of avatars. So you can change to any avatar that you like. Once you select your preferred avatar, you can tap on this set button and there you go. That's how you can successfully change your avatar in Bingo Blitz. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.